Hey, One of Wolves here. It's that time again. It's that time again, but it's in the morning. This is the morning train wreck. Um, so it's Thursday, day after New Comic Book Day. Hope everyone got their books yesterday. Um, so let's do this because I gotta go to work. Shout outs. Simple Simon, Captain Sorrow, Sarah, and Chris from Chaos and Comics. How you doing? And everybody else out there that I know and I don't know. Well, all I know is everybody hunt somebody down on YouTube, somebody with a small channel, subscribe because we've all been there, right? So, all right, let's get this going because I need to get my head button gear. All right, here we go. All right, first book, Blue Book number 2. Betty and Bonnie Hill, early 60s, up in New Hampshire. There's a story about them, seeing UFOs, abductions, stuff like that. So, was it Tunnian's doing the writing? It's a good read. It is. You get two stories in the book. The main story of the Hills and another one which is a short story. Last month it was the flying man in during the World's Fair, and it's an actual story. It was an actual paper. So I'm not sure what the second story in this one is. Wood Pit from Okay, I'm struggling here. This story looks like it's a little medieval. The Green Children. True Weird presents. So, I don't think it's going to be in the papers. But the main story is an enjoyable story. Pick it up and read it. Oh, make sure I got my bling bling. Got to show my eye. Can't see because I'm in a little small picture. Oh, that was so uneventful. I'll clear it and do it again. Still uneventful. Batting 1,000 here. You gotta hear it. You gotta hear the sounds. There you go. No call it a train wreck for nothing. Next one, book number 9 of Grimm. Still enjoying the book. Jessica, daughter of Death. Death is gone. No, she's the new Green Reaper. She doesn't want to be, though. Until they find Death, nobody can die, basically. So it's a good, I'm enjoying the read. I'm sure there is trades for the first story arc type of thing. Pick them up. Go hunting for them. Come on. Hey, goodish. World Finest. Number 13. So, I assume it's Metamorpho's origin story, I think, in this one. I just thumbed through it real quick. Last month was a filler because they had that little mini arc, and so last month was with Robin and Supergirl going on a date, and this one I assume is a filler with him. Join the read, join the art. I'll pick it up. Next one, Nightwing 102. He's got the band together. The Teen Titans are all together, so it's more of a Teen Titan book now, I guess. Still a good read. Tom Taylor's doing a great time. Great. He's doing a great time. He's doing a great write. So on this one, so it's making a great read. So, keep picking it up. I didn't get the A cover which just said Nightwing. I get this one. Okay. Next one. Punisher 10. So he had the big war with the Hand and the Fist. So this one, I thumbed through it again. This one also, it's book 2 of The King of Killers. Little slice and dice on a plane. And it's basically right now, it's big story now is his wife figuring out that something happened, right? So I'll see how this one goes. I'm enjoying it. Like I said, I keep saying it. It's not the Frank Castle of the past, but it's still an enjoyable read. Batman. Oh, Batman. Let's do that again. Superman number 2. I haven't read number 1 yet. It's behind me, but I'm pretty sure I like this cover. Looks awesome. There's I think a new character appearance in this. I'm just trying to find out where it is because they said her name. At least what I see on the YouTube, and I can't find it. But we'll give it a run. Like I said, I didn't read the last issue, so I can't really tell you what's going on in this one. Damn Them All, book 6. The series should be ending soon. If not, I'm not sure if it's on this one. But it's a cross between the devil and the coins and the mafia in England, using the coins. So it's an enjoyable read. But I'm not sure. This should be ending soon. I'm just not sure if it's ending. It's got a symbol like it. No, I don't know. It's got this. It might be. I'm not. Probably this is the first arc. They're ending it, and they'll just go into a second one. So, if it is, pick up the trade. If you like that, devils, demons stuck in coins, right? Use the coin and to bring the demon forward and put him back, and being used by the mafia in England, you'll have a good time with it. Oh, JD. Okay. Next one is a cover by the Prince. It's a cover by. I'm not reading the C, so this means nothing to me other than the Prince cover. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with this. Sorry. Ooh, I don't want that. Sorry, I'm rushing this. 1, it's in the morning. 2, my coffee's getting cold. And 3, I still need to open this up too. So, all right, here's another one. This one is, I don't have the original. Picked up the I don't know what do you call it. It's a reprint, right? Facsimile. So I can at least say I have this in my collection. Okay. The Doctor is in. He's back from the dead, and now he's Doctor Strange. I guess they ended the Strange books where now, you know, his wife was doing it. Now he's back. So let's see how they work this out. The art looks pretty good. We'll see. I like Doctor Strange. Always have, so. I mean, let's see. Because the ones I want are always on the bottom. Oh, jeez. Yeah, see? Yeah, see? I gotta like the guy. Let's look at these. A lot of work to just show you 2 books. Did I stick it in there? Yeah. Okay. Last but not least in the book area, The Neighbors #1. Looked pretty cool. Thought I'd pick it up and give it a read. Well, it's from Boom. I know nothing what it's about. But why not? It's a #1. Okay. Now, let's see if I can do this without... There's always one that doesn't go through. Why? Yay, the O went through. Okay, that's done. Now I'm going to need to bring up another screen on my other one so I can read these things because they make it hard. Okay, this button? Yeah, okay. Here we go. I sharpened my knife. It was like cutting with a butter knife. Ugh. Okay. Okay. We got these little comic tags, so you can get, I guess, a digital book or something. I got a whole box of them. I never use them. All right, so I don't want to see. I don't want to see. I don't want. That's what I want. Okay, is the all facing this? No, of course not. Okay. Okay. Here we go. Boom. I have no clue what that is. But here's what I'm looking for right here. Selena Gomez gets married in princess-worthy wedding dress. That is so cool. Congratulations. Pops on the screen. I don't know. All right. So, ComicTom 101.com, and you put newsletter. Boom. Did I do it right? No, 404. We cannot find the page. Really? Let's try that again. There we go. February newsletter. That's February. That is, well, this is totally useless. Okay, let's get rid of that. All right. So yeah, don't know what that is. Here comes the first book. Hey, it's Patrick again, and it's number 2. I got number 1. This is number 2. This is his family-friendly books. Another homage to Werewolf by Night. Cool. Next one. Oh, blood sample. Is this an ash can? Yeah, ash can edition of Dracula. Draculina. Sorry. That's cool. I don't think I have any Draculina. If I did, I've gotten it in ComicTom box. Next one. Ooh, it's got a certificate of authenticity. Limited to 900 copies. Well, that's cool. Miles Morales, Superman #1, Virgin Edition, with cover art by In-Huk Lee. That is cool. That's cool. Next one. Hulk #1. Oh, this one I can shoot. Look at that. Added. Next one. Ooh, look at this. Book of Slaughter. It's thick. That's very cool. Look at that. That's nice. And last but not least, Darkwing Duck #1. I got like 4 or 5 different Duckwings #1. That is cool though. That's cool. Okay. So, you'll be seeing this tonight, but I'm not going to be around. I have something outside the house I got to do. So, and I wasn't around last week because my kid had a recital. So, but if you didn't see the short, I'm going to MegaCon. So I'll see you guys there. You know, who's ever going there next week, I'll see you guys there. You finally get to meet Old Wolf. Big deal. So I just wanted to say, hey, if you're there, I'm gonna hunt you down. I'm gonna look for you guys. Appreciate it. Please appreciate all you guys. But I'm gonna be out there looking for you. It's the first time I ever went to MegaCon, so this is gonna be a new experience for me. So all right, everybody. Sorry for this being rushed, but I gotta get going. I gotta pay the mortgage. So see you later, guys. Thanks.